Is your Kia Sportage refusing to start? Let's walk through the most common four-cylinder failure points. Statistically, 70% of no-start issues on this engine platform are traced back to simple electrical faults. Before you call for a tow, let's break down the diagnostic process into manageable steps. Start by confirming your battery voltage and checking the terminals for any hidden corrosion or loose ground straps. If the battery is solid, look toward the starter motor, the crank position sensor, or a simple blown fuel pump fuse. Secondary issues often involve the immobilizer system or fuel delivery problems that prevent the engine from catching. Some fixes are simple enough for a driveway, but complex immobilizer or timing issues require professional diagnostic software. Repair costs vary widely, with battery swaps being the most affordable and starter replacements sitting in the mid-range. Use an OBD-I scanner to pull stored codes, then move to verifying fuel pressure and spark delivery at the cylinders. Every DIY mechanic should have a multimeter, a basic code reader, and a standard socket set ready for these tasks. Remember that safety is your absolute priority, so always disconnect the battery before handling any electrical components. Thanks for watching. Check the description for more details and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.